Now, this video is specially made for leather car seat cover owners, as in this video I have listed top 5 best leather car seat covers in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom fit seat cover after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of seat covers. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the covers. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with leather seat covers, so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. Ling Vito. Leather car seat covers stand out as a top choice for enhancing vehicle interiors, offering a blend of style, comfort, and durability. Crafted from premium faux leather, these seat covers provide a luxurious feel while being resistant to wear and tear, making them ideal for everyday use. Their ergonomic design ensures a snug fit on most car models, adding an elegant touch to the vehicle's interior. The covers are also equipped with a non-slip backing to prevent shifting and bunching, ensuring consistent comfort during drives. Easy to install and maintain, Ling Vito seat covers are designed with convenience in mind, featuring adjustable straps and accessible openings for seat belts and airbags. Available in various colors and designs, they allow drivers to personalize their cars while protecting the original upholstery. For those seeking a combination of functionality and aesthetics, Ling Vito leather car seat covers are an excellent investment. Number 2. AOOG leather car seat covers are renowned for their exceptional quality and stylish design, making them a top choice for car enthusiasts looking to upgrade their vehicle's interior. Made from high-quality, durable faux leather, these seat covers provide a sophisticated look while ensuring protection against spills, stains, and everyday wear and tear. The covers are designed to offer a perfect fit for a wide range of car models, featuring adjustable straps and hooks for easy installation. AOOG seat covers also prioritize comfort with a cushioned design that enhances the driving experience. Their breathable material helps maintain a comfortable temperature in all seasons. Additionally, these seat covers are easy to clean, requiring only a simple wipe down to maintain their pristine appearance. Available in various colors and patterns, AOOG leather car seat covers offer a versatile and practical solution for those seeking to combine elegance with functionality in their vehicle interiors. Number 3. CAPATO leather car seat covers are acclaimed for their perfect blend of luxury, durability, and functionality, making them a preferred choice for car owners aiming to enhance their vehicle's interior. Crafted from high-quality faux leather, these seat covers offer a sleek and elegant appearance while being resistant to spills, stains, and daily wear and tear. The design ensures a custom-like fit for a wide range of car models, incorporating adjustable straps and robust hooks for a secure and straightforward installation. CAPATO seat covers excel in comfort, featuring a padded construction that provides enhanced support during long drives. The breathable material helps regulate temperature, ensuring comfort in both hot and cold weather. Maintenance is hassle-free, requiring just a simple wipe to keep them looking new. Available in a variety of colors and styles, CAPATO leather car seat covers allow for personal customization, making them an excellent choice for those seeking both style and practicality in their vehicle interiors. Number 4. YOLO leather car seat covers are celebrated for their exceptional quality and stylish design, making them a top pick for car enthusiasts looking to upgrade their vehicle interiors. Constructed from high-grade faux leather, these seat covers provide a luxurious and sophisticated look while offering robust protection against spills, stains, and everyday wear and tear. Their ergonomic design ensures a snug fit across various car models, featuring adjustable straps and non-slip backing for a secure and hassle-free installation. YOLO seat covers prioritize comfort with a cushioned design that enhances the driving experience, while the breathable material maintains a comfortable temperature in all seasons. Easy to clean and maintain, these covers require just a simple wipe to keep them looking pristine. Available in an array of colors and patterns, NS YOLO leather car seat covers offer a versatile and practical solution for those seeking to blend elegance with functionality in their vehicle interiors. Number 5. CAPATO. Leather car seat covers are a top choice for those seeking to elevate their vehicle's interior with a blend of elegance, durability, and comfort. Crafted from premium quality faux leather, these seat covers deliver a sophisticated aesthetic while providing robust protection against spills, stains, and daily wear. The ergonomic design ensures a custom fit for a wide range of car models, incorporating adjustable straps and non-slip backing for easy and secure installation. CAPATO seat covers stand out for their comfort, featuring thick padding that enhances support and driving enjoyment. The breathable material helps regulate temperature, ensuring comfort in both hot and cold weather. Maintenance is straightforward, with the covers needing only a quick wipe to remain clean and fresh. Available in various colors and styles, CAPATO leather car seat covers offer a versatile and practical solution for car owners looking to combine luxury with functionality in their vehicle interiors. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly so that from this video. And I hope you like this video on best leather car seat covers. And if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.